In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resubscribe contacts to your marketing emails in Hubspot. This is useful when a contact has previously opted out of one or more email types, and you need to update their subscription status correctly inside Hubspot. Keep in mind that resubscribing should only be done when you have a valid reason and permission to do so, because subscription settings are tied to compliance and consent. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and go to the main navigation. From there, open the CRM menu and then click Contacts. This takes you to your contacts database, where you can search or browse to find the exact person you want to update. Next, click the contact name to open their contact record. This is important because subscription settings are managed at the individual contact level. Once you are on the contact record, look through the sections on the page until you find the area labeled Communication Subscriptions. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a bit to locate it. When you find Communication Subscriptions, click Manage Subscriptions. This opens the Subscription Management view, where Hubspot lists the different email subscription types that exist in your account. Each type typically corresponds to a category of marketing emails, such as newsletters or product updates, and a contact can be subscribed to some types and unsubscribed from others. Now, find the specific subscription type you want to update. For that subscription type, select Resubscribe. Make sure you are choosing the correct one, especially if several categories look similar. Resubscribing the wrong category can cause the contact to receive emails they did not expect. After you select Resubscribe, Hubspot will ask you to choose a legal basis. This step matters because it documents why the contact is being resubscribed. Select the legal basis that matches your situation and your compliance requirements, such as consent or another appropriate option available in your portal. Finally, click Save to apply the change. Once saved, the contact is resubscribed to that specific email type, and HubSpot records the update in the contact history. That covers everything you need to know.